Hi everybody, let's create this scrapbook cutout effect in Canva. So this is my image. Now you can either use it as it is for the effect, but I like to have a paper texture at the background. So first select the image and remove its background. Go to elements and search craft paper background. Go to photos and choose your textured background. I'm choosing this one here. Make it big and right click on the image and select layers and click send to back. Now go to edit and then filters and select this filter here. If you're happy with your background color, you can skip this step. Go to apps and search design to image. Use this app to convert this page into an image. You can also download it as PNG as we normally do and then upload it back to Canva. Once your image is ready, place it on a blank page. Now before we move on, I have shared some Canva codes related to Scrapbook in our Next Canvas Canva community on Facebook. Don't forget to check that out. If you haven't joined the community yet, link is in the description below. Join today so that we all learn and grow together. Now back to tutorial. Go to apps and search Choppy Crop in the apps and open this app. Now click on your image so it's selected. So this area here is your playground. Click on any starting point. When you click it, you can see a fixed spot and a dotted line which is moving with the cursor. Now place your second spot by clicking on the image and you can see a path is being created. Repeat the same procedure to cover the whole area you want to be cropped. Now to complete this crop, click the first point or spot. You can see a change in cursor icon when you select the first point. Selecting the first point will complete this frame. Once this path is complete, you can see a preview down here. You can also reposition the image within frame like this, or you can also select these pointers and drag it to change the frame. Once you are happy, click Add to Design. Here is your cropped image. Simply place this in your design. Now for more paper tone effect, go to Elements and search Paper Ripped Frame. Choose your desired elements from here and simply place this around the image. Now go to Position and select Layers, then drag it down below the main image. Reposition it if required. This is the same procedure we did in the ripped paper effect. I will link down in description that as well. Now add few more ripped papers for the effect and layer them behind the image. And with this, your scrapbook cutout effect is ready. Here's the final look. Do try this tutorial and share your recreations in our Facebook group. See you next time.